Hey there, YouTube surfers. Today I've got a quick unboxing of a Beelink SER5 mini PC. And I got this for about $300 off of Amazon. And it's a little mini PC. You can see there's the box. And let's look at the specs. It's got the AMD Ryzen 5500U, 16 gigs of memory, 500 gigabytes, I think it's a M.2 storage, Wi-Fi 6, which you got to be careful. If you look at a lot of these mini PCs, they're only Wi-Fi 5. And it's also got, it doesn't show it here, but it's got Bluetooth 5.2. So, we've got some information on the back here. And yeah, we'll get to unboxing this. All right, let's see what's inside here. Got my new box cutter. Pretty fancy. $11. Okay. Let's get through the plastic. Pretty exciting stuff. Looks like we got the slide out style. All right, let's see what we get in the box. All right, get the user manual. It's always good. We got hard disk installation guide. I believe that's if you want to add a 2.5-inch SSD. And let's see what else is in here. Accessories. Okay. Oh, you get a lot of goodies in here. Oh, that's probably the, oh, look how thin that is. Wow. That's the cable to connect the, if you have a SSD you want to put in there. This is a, what we got here, HDMI to HDMI cable. Right, yeah, HDMI, standard HDMI. That's nice. Not real long, but that's fine. You got your Versa mount. You can mount it to the back of your monitor. There's your power brick. Not too massive. Another, let's see. Oh, this is a short US. Oh, okay. So this is a short HDMI. So if you mount it on the back of your monitor, you don't want a 10-foot cord hanging. That's a good idea. This would probably be for your second monitor. I like that. And of course, the other end of the power brick. And then some screws. I'm assuming for the mount, and probably maybe there's screws you need inside if you're going to add that hard drive. And here is the device. It's crazy how small this is. All right. Very small. There it is, folks. Warning, during the system boot process, if you cannot log into your personal account, please turn off Wi-Fi, etc. That's interesting. You got the Ryzen, AMD graphics. Let's just take the plastic off of here, why not? Somehow. There we go. Not quite as satisfying as opening an iPhone. All right. Quick setting button, description, press delete to enter BIOS setup, F7 to enter boot options. That's good that it puts it right on there. All right, so this is that's the back. You got your LAN connection, you got USB 3.0, I guess, 3.2, that's probably a 2.0. Your two HDMI ports, that's where you plug the power in. just a vent on the side. And you got two more 3.0 or 3.2 ports. And then a USB Type-C port that's supposed to be for data and power, I guess. Data and video. That's the word I was thinking of. But I've seen reviews where it doesn't really send video, but it's supposed to, because you're supposed to be able to do triple monitors with this. One there, and then one in each HDMI port. And that's it. That concludes the unboxing of the SER5, or SER5 mini PC from Beelink. Have a great day.